Welcome back to another video of how to use basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to unlink Watch wallet in Unstoppable Crypto Wallet. First, make sure that you are connected to a stable internet connection. After that, find and open Unstoppable Crypto Wallet on a device and log in using your credentials. Here, go to the Settings tab and click on Manage Wallet option. Here you can see Watch Wallet 1, which is the wallet which I am currently selected on. To remove this Watch wallet, you need to click on 3 dots which is right next to it. After that, you can rename it from here, and you can also unlink by clicking on Unlink button. After that, you will get a prompt saying, do you want to stop watching this wallet address? You need to click on the Stop Watching button, which is in red background. Click on it and it will be deleted. So that is how you can unlink Watch wallet in Unstoppable Crypto Wallet. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down if you have any queries.